So if you're blessed to have one of these wonderful computers called a Mac or MacBook or MacBook Air, you may have ran into an abundance of issues. Me, last night, I just rotated my screen 90 degrees like this to be able to read like I had it laying like that. And when I went to change it back, I get an error. Cannot load the display's preference pane. Well, how the heck am I supposed to rotate the screen if the setting for that is in the display's preference pane? So I thought maybe I could just go to the search thing here and type in screen rotation, because that's what I needed to fix. Nope, I get the same error. So basically, if you don't know how to fix this, you're screwed. And I don't really see how Apple lets this happen. I get notifications for updates all the time, and I do them. It's just another thing that astonishes me about Apple and their products. It's unbelievable. So hold down the power button and turn off your computer. Shut it down. And now you're going to turn it back on in safe mode. So hold the shift button and the power button. Excuse me. Just like that. And wait. This is probably going to take a while. What it's doing now is restarting it into safe boot. And well, now once you're here, all you're going to do is just restart it. So click the restart button and then wait some more. And think about why this had to happen when you just rotated your screen. Okay. And now wait for it to start up again. And as you can see, boom, it's fixed. It's off of safe mode. And now you just gotta memorize, if you have Mac OS Sierra or another one, I forgot what it is. Just don't rotate your screen, because it'll screw you. That's just a wonderful feature here with the MacBooks. They also have a nice aluminum case, which I like. And they also screw you over a lot. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I do hope I helped you, because this is not a productive problem. Thank you.